Welcome to a new episode of the Unreal Engine series. In today's chapter, we will learn the basics of outliner and details. Let's start. In the Outliner tab, we can see all the objects placed in a scene. In it, we can select one or more objects to work with. For this, we can use the following commands. Holding Ctrl plus click to select one by one. By pressing the F key, we can move the camera to see the selected objects. We can use Shift hold to select from the first click to the second click. Also, we can hide some objects to work better in the scene. If we hide with this button, the objects will not disappear when pressing play. We can move many objects to a folder by selecting them and right-clicking Create Folder and giving it a name. As a folder, we can hide or show all internal elements. Also, we can select and drag the objects inside another. Once having all the folders organized, we can hide or show objects on the scene as we need it. In the Details tab, we can change the properties that we have for each selected object. If the properties of the selected objects are compatible, the properties to modify for all selected objects will be listed. Here we can see the general properties of all the objects, for example, transform, location, rotation, scale, as well as actor hidden in-game property. The same that we can use to move objects within the scene, but that does not appear when we press play. If we hide an object from the outliner, the object will appear when we press play. If we hide an object with hidden in-game from details, we will be able to see the object on stage, but it will be hidden when we play it. If the properties of several objects are not compatible with each other, we will have to lose the selection to modify some specific properties of each type of object. We post several videos weekly, so make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications.